The next topic is functional location. So what is a functional location? So a plant maintenance functional location represents a system area where an object can be installed. The objects that can be installed at functional location are called pieces of equipment in SAP. So basically functional location is an individual technical object or a location where the equipments are installed. Okay, and each functional location is managed independently in the system. Example, mechanical workshop is a functional location where several objects, that is equipments like shape machine, lathe machine, drilling machine, punching machine, pressing machine, horizontal milling machine can be installed. Okay. Now coming to the purpose of functional location is execution of the maintenance tasks or activities, recording of the maintenance tasks, data collection over a longer period of time, and cost monitoring area. So here the functional locations are created using the structure indicator, and the structure indicator contains two types of fields, coding and hierarchy levels. So before creating it, so these are the functional locations. Is a geographical or a physical location. So the functional location is created. Why? Because execution of maintenance tasks, recording of the maintenance tasks, data collection over a longer period, cost monitoring by area, what effect do the usage conditions have on the likelihood of the damage to the installed aggregates. So this is the criteria for functional location. So basically it looks like this. The functional location structure. Now the structure indicator is created like this. Okay. These are the templates, coding templates, hierarchy values and location numbers, where A refers to alpha, N refers to numeric, and X refers to alphanumeric. So these are the example of the functional location how we will create in the system. Now what are the information the master record functional location contains? Okay, it contains information of equipment usage, classification, documents, technical drawings if you have, any text information, address and partners information, measuring points and counters, permits, and it has you have the options here under functional location, master data, general tab, location tab, organization tab, and structure tab. Okay, so we'll see how to create these functional locations. Before creation of these functional locations, okay, so first of all we need to create a structure indicator. Okay, so how this structure indicator is created? So first is we need to create a structure indicator. Create a structure indicator. Okay, now the path is SPRO SAP reference IMG plant maintenance and customer service, master data in plant maintenance and customer service, technical objects, functional locations, create structure indicator for reference locations oblique functional locations. So click on this clock icon, that is execute button. So these are some SAP given standard and some are created by others, etc. Click on new entries. Now structure indicator. The maximum number of digits or alphabets or alphanumeric allowed is here minimum is 1, maximum is 5. You cannot cross more than that. Okay. Now for example I am creating BMW 01. It can be anything guys. Okay. And BMW Motors AG. Now edit mask. Now here I am creating the mask as, see here now, XXXX hyphen XXN hyphen XX hyphen XX NN. It's just an example guys. If you want you can just create like this, or you can create like this as you wish. So example I'm creating like this. Okay. So this is the first hierarchy, level 1. The second hierarchy, level 2. The third hierarchy level, level 3. And the fourth, level 4. What is this X means? X means both letters and numbers are allowed. A means only letters are allowed. N refers to only numeric or numbers, we can call it numbers allowed. And S means numbers, letters, special characters are allowed. Numbers, letters, special characters are allowed. So using this structure indicator, a functional location will be created. Using the structure indicator, a functional location is created. Now I'll create now here. So edit marks XX. So triple X, XS. So here hierarchy 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Press enter. Save the document. Press enter and save the document. So we created a structure indicator. So this structure indicator is very, very important. Okay. So what is the structure indicator we created? BMW 01. Okay. Now we'll create a function location now. To create a function location, the transaction code is IL 010203. See here. The transaction code is, to create a function location, IL 010203. Okay. So here you can see. Okay. So use of identification. Structure indicators should not be more than 40 characters, etc. Now I'll go to the transaction code IL IL01. IL01 is to create functional location. IL02 is to change functional location. IL03 is for display functional location. All the transaction codes will be remain the same. Now here, once you come to this screen, so functional location, what you want to create. Okay. Now for example, here I will create a functional location BMWC. And here you select structure indicator, what you created. So what the structure indicator we created? BMW01. And here the functional location should be M. That is standard given by SAP. M, technical system. After filling these details, you press enter. System will take to the next screen. Okay. Now here you can see the status. What is this status? CRTE. CRT means it is creating. Okay. If you click on this I, you can see what is the CRT means created. We are creating the function location. So enter the description. BMW Motors AG. Next, general tab. In the general tab, object type. So it's not required object type here. Authorization group. So 3000, that is maintenance authorization group, you need to enter. Next, startup date. I will enter the today's date. Okay. So here you need to enter the startup date. And so no need to enter all these details and all. Next, location. In the location, enter maintenance plant 1000. Location 1. So 1 means where it is located, production area. And ABC indicator I will maintain as a 1 or A, whatever it is. Enter. Next, in the organization, enter the business area and cost center, that is standard 4300 in the training program, that is for maintenance. So enter planning plant, planner group, and here you have maintain work center. In the previous class we have created work center BMW underscore. I will enter as work center 1. Enter 1000. Press enter. So this is we created in the previous class, the work centers. Then press enter. Now click on structure. In the structure, it will display structure indicator. Observe carefully. Now here you see superior function location. It is nil now because still we are creating a new function location. Because is a BMWC is the most superior function location. Because prior to this, have we created any function location? No. So initially, it will be the superior function location. Therefore, enter the position as 1. And install equipment install allowed. Means for this functional location we can assign multiple equipments. For this functional location we can install multiple locations. If you want to go for single installation, go for single installation. So always we will go for multiple functional locations. And click on partner. In the partner, so here we'll enter that vendor, the partner. So default this vendor number will be created by the materials management department, and give them name, for example Steve. So if required you can maintain this. Okay. Now here you have an option called additional data. Okay, so if you want you can maintain here. Okay, partner assign, click on details, partner details. If you click on additional data, so here if you have any documents and all, if you want to assign it, documents can be assigned. Okay, so this is about how to create a functional location. And here this manufacturing model number, everything also you can maintain it. Acquisition date, when it is acquisition, what is inventory number, the dimension of this, okay, the manufacturer, so you can maintain it. Okay, so that we'll see later on, all these details. So finally save the document. So functional location BMWC is created. Okay, so I will write down what are the, so first functional location we created, I'll create a functional location 1. We created BMWC. Okay, now again I will create a next functional location. Okay, now what is this? No, before that you just observe here we have created this structure indicator. So basically what is this now? So this, let us say the first XX is BMWC is a company. Okay, it's a car division, whatever it is, that is unit 1. Okay, then department, for example production department, machine 1. So this is the structure indicator what we created. So under BMW motors cars manufacturing unit 1, under this the department production, under the machine is machine 01. Example I am saying it. This is the function, the functionality of this structure indicator what we created. Now again I will go to the same transaction code. This time I am going to create, okay, another function location. Okay, so BMWC, I'll create another function location here. BMWC -UT1. It's just an example. So edit masks, make sure that the structure indicator should be this function location M. Okay, press enter. So here I'll enter description unit 1. Now press enter. Now see what happens, guys. When I press enter, automatically the data will be covered from the superior. Then go to all options and observe the parameters. You'll get it out. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. UT1. Press enter. Unit 1. Okay. So enter authorization group. That's just the date and all. Location. So now see here. You got all the. So here. You got the information all in the organization. See here. We did not enter anything. When you press enter, system has automatically copied. Now here the important point is the structure. The moment when you click on the structure tab, observe carefully, Manish. Here the structure indicator is this. Previously in the superior functional location, it is blank because BMWC is the first functional location itself is a superior functional location. Now you are creating another functional location, BMWC unit 1. Under this superior functional location is BMWC. Okay. So this is the first position. Now this is the second position. Okay. So enter position 2. So if you want to install only one equipment, activate single installation. If you want to install multiple equipments, activate equipment install allowed, installation equipments. Okay, press enter. So in the partner also, if you want to enter the partner, yes, you enter the partner, all this information. Okay, save the document. Yeah, function location is created. Another one. What is another function location? Yeah. So first one is we created BMWC. That is BMW Motors. AG I created. Next, another function location to what we created? BMW hyphen unit 1. What is this? Unit 1 location we created. Now I am going to create another function location, that is BMW unit 1 production. That is production, department of production. See, slowly we are increasing. So first we created BMWC, that is motors. Under this we created BMW Motors unit 1. Now we are creating under the unit 1 production department. Okay, so these are very important. So later on you can understand why we are creating this much of function locations. Again, go to the same transaction code IL01. I am creating another one. Structure indicator, make sure that the structure indicator should be ours. Function location M. Press enter. Enter the description. Department of production, because I given as PROD. Okay. Now the moment you press enter, see here you got authorization group, startup date. In the location you got the location, ABC indicator. In the organization also you got all the things here, business area, cost center, planning plant, work center, everything you got it. Now this time if you click on structure indicator, now just observe clearly what will be your superior function location. Observe carefully. BMWC unit 1. Okay, it's step by step it is going to increase. Now this will be the position 3, third position. Okay, if you want to install multiple, so you can activate it, otherwise not. Press enter. And in the partner, as usual, if you want to enter, you can enter all the vendor details, whatever it is. Okay, now save. Yeah, now again I am creating another function location, function location 4. This time it is BMW unit 1 production. Okay, so now let us we create the another one, unit 2 we create. Okay, let's we create another one, unit 2. That is BMW. I'll create unit 2. Okay, we'll see now. Same, everything is same. Your structure indicator, functional location, press enter. Unit 2, press enter. Now again authorization group is copied, the startup date, location, it will display location and your ABC indicator, and in the organization system will pick all this data, and in the structure, now see, in the structure indicator what it displays, again your superior functional location BMWC only. Now here the position should be, you can enter it as a 1 or whatever it is. Press enter. So if you want to enter the vendor, you enter the vendor, Steve, whatever it is. Press enter. Now save. Save. So we created BMW unit 2. Now I will create another functional location, the 5th one, BMW unit 1 production. I will create some CNC shearing machine, SHMC whatever 01. Okay, so unit 1 production, press enter. Enter the description, CNC shearing machine 300 tons. In the general tab, okay, object type we need to enter. Okay, now let us say click on press enter. If you want to create of your own, you can create. So let's say it's not there CNC, so just click on create. I'll create one more. I'll create one CNC machine, whatever it is. Define types of technical objects. Click on it. So here select the line item, click on copy as. I'll create 1009 CNC machine. Enter save. Now again if you go back, okay, now you can click on drop down, it is created. If you click on this binoculars icon, CNC machine, you got it. Okay. Now, so in the location, it's copied, organization, everything. Now if you click on the structure, now see what you got here in the structure indicator, BMWC unit 1 production. Now this will be the position 4. Press enter, save. Now let's create another function location. This time we'll create again BMW unit 1 production department, PRES 01, that is 120 tons power press machine, whatever it is. Again Go to the same transaction code, PRS01. Press enter. So 120 ton power press machine. Press enter. Object type. So if you don't have it, so click on drop down. Go for click on create. Continue without specifying project. System will take to exit screen. So here different types of technical objects. Click on this execute button. You can select any line item or else click on new entries. I'll create it now. Okay, that you can create whatever it is. So I create power press. Save. Again go back. So here I'll enter 1010. Press enter. Power press machine. So again the system will copy all this data. Organization. Now in the structure, again you can see BMW Unit 1 production. Okay. So what will be the position here? The 4. If you want to enter the partners, so as you wish, you can enter the vendor number, Steve. Save. Okay. Now I'll create another utility department. Okay. See how many functional locations we are creating. Under BMW Unit 1, I'll create utility, UTLY. Okay. Press enter. So department of utility. Press enter. So system will copy all the data. Now if you click on the structure indicator, now see here. Now position will be the 4. Save. Now under the utility department, we create a function location called diesel generator. Okay. Now see here. Now we create another function location. So BMW Unit 1, again under utility department, DG. Okay. 01. Whatever it is. So here production, then I'll create as a utility DG01. Okay. Press enter. 500 kVA diesel jet generator. Press enter. Object type. If you don't have it, drop down. Go and create. Click on create. Click on continue without specifying project. Again click on different types of technical objects. Click on this clock icon, execute button. Go for new entries. This time I'll create 1011 DG set, or I can create diesel generator, whatever it is. Save. Go back, go back, go back of the screen, close it. So I'll maintain 1011. press enter. Now in the location the data is copied automatically. See, everything is copied. Now if you go click on this structure tab, one second, IL02 under utility UT1. So here, sorry, the position should be the 3. That's the main problem. For only this. Under utility, what we have entered the position, guys? UTLY utility. Enter. BMW UT1. Does not exist. Oh, we are not created utility. IL0 BMW utility. UT1 utility, I think. Oh, we are not created department of utility. Then press center. So what is the structure indicator? You will get it here. Yeah, unit 1. So here this will be the third position. Yeah, now you are correct. Now you save it. BMW UT1 utility. Okay, now after that DG01. So 500 kVA diesel generator. One touches location, structure. Yeah, now see here. Now here you'll get BMW under utility. Okay, utility 1. Now this should be the 4. Actually we did not save it, so we are not able to 01. Now see Manish. Now see the result now. How many functional locations we have created totally, man? First, the superior functional location we created BMW motors. Then again under BMW unit 1 we created. Again under unit 1 production. Next we have created unit 2. Even if you want to create unit 2 production, you can create. Now BMW 2 unit 1 production. shearing machine. Then we again pressing machine. Okay. Then again under unit 1 utility department. Again under utility department diesel set generator department created. So these are all the locations. Now I want to see the total entire function location hierarchy. Okay. To view or to display the functional location, I am just using as FL. Don't confuse that. FL means functional location hierarchy. Okay. So I'll go to the transaction code IH01. Okay. Now see here IH01. Press enter. So here you need to enter the function location. Which function location you enter? BMWC, the first superior function location what you have entered. Then click on execute. Now click on this expand whole. Now see here how you got it. So under BMW, this is a superior function location. Under this you have. So department of production, under the production you have pressing machine, CNC machine, department of utility, under department of utility, then diesel generator, everything. Like this the system will display us. Okay. Now next we'll discuss about, so like this you can create as many function locations as you can. Okay. So normally you can create only one, or if you can go for another function location also. Now next we'll discuss about alternative labeling. What is this alternative labeling? It is a process of replacing the existing function location with new function location. For example, I want to replace this shearing machine is replaced with milling machine. Okay. Then how can you replace it? Example. Okay. Now see here, if you want to replace it, so what is what you want to replace? Now I want to replace, see this one, BMW unit 1 production with, like this, replace BMW function location with new function location, that is BMW unit 1 production. Okay. And MIM C01, that is milling machine, for example. Now see here, just observe here, you are able to see here CNC shearing machine generators, right? Now you just observe. Now you want to replace this one, therefore, okay, I will open another screen. I will keep this screen as it is. Now you go to the function location. Now IL02, change function location. Now which one you want to replace? So BMW unit 1 production shearing machine. Enter structure indicator, very important, you need to observe carefully. Okay, we create as unit 1, okay, whatever it is. What we created, BMWC, sorry. BMWC Unit 1 Production SHMC01. Okay, press enter. So we are just confusing. I'll just enter BMWC. So here also BMWC. Okay, now here enter the description. Give some description here. Milling machine. So horizontal milling machine. Press enter. Okay, so here object type. So if you don't have the object type, you can create that object type also. Okay, mouse here, click on hit. So we'll see milling machine is there or not. No, it's not there. Now I create, click on continue without specifying project, click on different types. So previously we created, what are those creations? We created 101, we created. Now new entries 1012. So I create a milling machine. Press enter, save. Go back, go back, go back. 1012. That's it. Click on it. So everything is copied. Okay. Now after press enter, go to the menu bar, extras, alternative labels, overview. Okay, now select the function location, this one, and click on this pen icon here. There is change label. Now which one you want to create now? BM, so BMWC Unit 1 Production Department MIMC01 Milling Machine. Press enter. Okay, now you can change the description also. For that, if you click on change label, okay, press enter. So here change the description, horizontal. Oh, it's already there. That's it. Okay, so you got the MM01. Now you save it. After creating it, now again if I go to IH, the structure, just I will refresh here. You just observe the CNC shearing machine is there. It will replace with, now see, horizontal milling machine. Now you cannot see that CNC. So to perform this alternative labeling, the following configuration settings is to be maintained. Okay, when you maintain this configuration setting only, then you can maintain it. Okay, so to perform this functionality, we need to do some configuration setting for alternative labeling. That is SPRBO, SAP reference IMG. So go to the plant maintenance and customer service. Then master data in plant maintenance, customer service, technical objects, functional locations, then alternative labeling of functional locations, activate alternative labeling. So here alternative label should be activated. If you don't activate, you cannot change it alternatively with one functional location to another functional location. Save. And if you want to view all alternative labeling data changes view by going to IL02 or IL03, you can see it. Now if you want to see which value, which functional location is replaced with functional location, you can go to again IL02 or IL03. I will enter the just now created the functional location. You press enter, go to menu bar, extras, alternative labels, overview. The moment you click on overview, the system displays, okay, the old function value and after. Are able to see? So which one is new one and which one? See now it is active and it became replaced. Okay. Like this, we can create the functional locations and we can replace with one functional location to another functional location. So BMWC, you execute. So click on expand whole. You can see this. Okay. So like this, still we create the other functional locations also. Okay. So next topic is reference functional location. So what is this reference functional location? That we'll discuss in the next class. The next topic is reference functional location.